Hey, this is Carly at Kanileʻa Ukulele. Over here I have an Island Soprano Master. So definitely a very, straight off the bat, very striking piece of koa. A very consistent piece of master grade for the front, back, and sides. And this master grade in particular to me kind of almost gives like a striped appearance of how tight the curls are. So beautiful grain. And regardless of that, it's going to have the Hawaiian Islands inlaid with beautiful paua abalone, like all of our ISL models. And yeah, so with that, let's take a quick listen to this Island Soprano Master.